The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the show, continuing here at 21st and Webb in Wichita at the Stutzman's Cambridge Garden Center with Ben.
Right.
Ben, thanks for having us back.
Always love having you here.
Yeah, it's such a beautiful day out here, going to be hopefully a beautiful weekend for Mother's Day. This is the place to come to get your mom or any special woman in your life a gift.
You know, all our garden centers are just packed out for Mother's Day. Sometimes we say that's kind of the peak of our season, but and as a mother, you may understand or have a better reason as to why this may be.
Yes,
because
yes.
I know mothers love flowers.
Flowers.
For Mother's Day, hanging baskets have always been such a tradition.
Yeah.
And it's so cool to see families come to the garden center, kids helping, you know, select plants because they want to go home and plant them for grandma in a planter or something like that. But one of our features for this event and for Mother's Day is a basket, which we grow literally thousands of hanging baskets.
Yes.
But we have a specialty one for Mother's Day starting at $13.99. And then of course there's a large selection of patio planters.
Yes.
That in almost any color and flavor
Yeah.
if you would. We grow a tremendous amount
Yeah.
of combination type, and these are all, and even these baskets are plants that have been propagated by vegetative. You know, we featured the premium annuals,
Yes.
and that's really what we use in these baskets. So it's a more premium type of planter that and we really spend a lot of time in looking at the how well they perform in our
Yeah.
Kansas climate, which is very important to
Yes.
us.
Yeah.
So anyway, happy Mother's Day. It's just a
Yeah.
wonderful time that we enjoy being in this industry. We put a lot of smiles on a lot of faces.
Yeah, I bet. And it's nice because you can take these home, like you said, you put a lot of effort
Yes.
into making them last.
Exactly.
So it's a gift for this weekend, but it's going to go on for a little while. And not only the planters, the baskets, you have things like succulents, house plants, everything that people
Absolutely.
can want.
You know, the succulent, our bulbs look amazing.
Yeah.
Really perform well.
Yeah, great to have bring your kid out here and help pick out these gifts and then take it home and bond over it too.
They love it.
Yeah, and maybe if you don't know exactly which type of plant you want to get mom, you have an option for that.
Oh, gift certificates is something that a lot of people utilize, even as gifts for aunts, uncles, you know, may not necessarily be your mom, but just something you want to do special for Mother's Day.
Yeah.
They're always a great gift for that.
Ben, how can people find more information?
You know, you can always go to stutzmans.com, our Facebook, or go to questions@stutzmans.com, and that puts you directly in touch with Jason French, who does our Stutzmans Home and Garden Show.
Yeah.
Does an amazing job with that.
Yeah.
But if you have any questions on type of plant material that we may have, we'd love to be able to help you out.
All right, Ben, thank you so much for having
Thank
us
you.
out here today. Make sure you stop by one of your garden center locations today, throughout the weekend, and get mom a gift. But we'll have more in Good Day, Kansas coming up next.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Mother's Day is the highlight of spring. Hi, this is Ben Miller. Celebrate Mother's Day by bringing Mom, Grandma, and the kids to Stutzman's Greenhouse. Let the kids help select the flowers, and they can help plant them. Hanging baskets also make a wonderful gift starting at $13.99, or how about large and beautiful patio planters? Your happy place for Mother's Day is Stutzman's Greenhouse. Happy Mother's Day from all of us at Stutzman's.
Some know us as Stutz, some know us as Stutz, but everyone knows we know our roots. At Stutzman's Greenhouse, everything's green with us.